Hey guys, today I will show the Bitcoin prices in Coin Telegraph. Okay, now let's start the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is BTC price index for the human necessary of Bitcoin. Now trading and Elon Musk industrialist Twitter monetization advances for the content creators is now click here the Bitcoin. Now click here the Bitcoin BTC prices in index. So for the many people is not here in consult me. So far is take also the okay. Now let's start and variable coin table and many option in this option and very simple. Okay, now let's the graph. And now let's the graph is huntable and index. So click here index in the coin play and more others of index. So now let's start with the game. Okay, here is the option. Okay, click and here is the option of others. So many of others triangle and in this volume of Bitcoin and Elon Musk 9900. Okay, click here and so for the many people. Okay, BTC wins. Okay, now let's start on see the manual facts. Okay, here is option and dedicated of Bitcoin graph candle. Now let's start the here. Okay, graph is not areas of this indisclement. So here is the candle graph or negotiation in this int.